Hi class! Happy Choose Joy Thursday. I hope you guys are enjoying learning about clouds this week, learning about cumulus clouds and nimbus clouds. I have a special experiment I'm going to send to your parents today to make a cloud in a jar. My son and I did it and he really, really loved it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And we are going to do today is our last day of our reading. So first we're going to go over our vocab words, and then we're going to do our last reading and do one little activity to make sure that you guys understand what we're reading, okay? So remember, we are reading a poem this week, and a poem is different than a regular passage. It's broken up into stanzas, so those paragraphs in a poem are called stanzas, and a poem usually has a theme. It's trying to teach you a lesson, and lots of poems are rhyming poems. So we will see the full text for this poem this week and then talk about what the poem means. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and look at our first word. Say it after me. Cumulus. Remember, a cumulus cloud is a cloud that is puffy and fluffy. Okay, so those white, beautiful clouds we see on a sunny day. Our next word, encircle. Encircle means to surround. So these friends are surrounding each other or encircling each other, and these people are surrounding the tree or encircling the tree. Our next vocab word, nimbus. Remember, nimbus is a dark rain cloud. So those are those dark gray, sometimes even black when the rainstorm is really heavy, but a cloud that's full of rain. Our next vocab word is prairie. A prairie is just a large and open grass field. And our last word, my favorite for the week. Do you guys remember what it is? Splay! Say it again. Splay! Miss Harmon is splaying her fingers, so spread out. Splay means to spread out. Okay? All right, guys, so go ahead and turn forward 1, 2, 3 pages to our full poem here. So let's go ahead and let's look at our pictures first. So go ahead and look at this picture up here. Thinking about color, movement, texture. I'm going to move myself over to this side for right now while we look at these pictures. Okay? What kind of clouds are on top, my friends? That's right, cumulus. Cumulus clouds are those white, puffy, fluffy clouds. And what kind of cloud is on the bottom? That's right, nimbus. Nimbus clouds are gray and dark and full of rain. Now, what is the same in both? So the clouds are different in these pictures. What is the same in both these pictures? What is this large grass field called? That's right, it's a prairie. So these clouds are over a prairie. Okay, so I'm going to read this little part right here. So cloud types. Clouds are water vapor floating in the air. There are many different types of clouds. The shape, appearance, and elevation of clouds can help people predict weather. Cumulus clouds are puffy and white. They are often called FairWeather clouds. Nimbus clouds are dark and gray. They are considered storm clouds. So do you guys remember the name of our poem this week? That's right, FairWeather clouds, because we're talking a lot about cumulus clouds, those white, happy clouds that we see on sunny days. All right, my friends. So remember, this is a poem, so it's somebody trying to teach us a lesson, teach us something through a different kind of writing, which is a poem. All right, guys. So the title of this poem is called FairWeather Clouds, which is another word for cumulus clouds. All right, so let's see how many stanzas there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 stanzas, okay? And if you see these numbers, it's talking about the line. So this is line 5, line 10, line 15, and line 20, okay? Here, after the thaw, these plants, a green sea encircle me. Now I tilt my head back, splay my hands, pressing into the fresh waves of prairie. Above the sky, the blue field is thick with piles of cumulus cotton, ripe for picking, stuffing and quilting, helping and billowing about, but still bright and clean in the sun. Later, when they grow gray and Nimbus, the rain will come. All right, do you guys remember? So first he's talking about how he is in a prairie, a green sea. So he's calling all of this green grassland. He's comparing it to the ocean because it's big and open and vast, except a prairie is green and the ocean is blue. And it's encircling him. So it's surrounding him. Okay, and then as he lays his head back, I guys want you to think about this, visualize it. He's laying his head back and he's spreading out like a grass angel, right? And he's splaying his hands to the grass and he's pressing into the fresh waves of the prairie. What does grass feel like? What do you guys think it feels like? What do you think it would be like to lay in a grass or a prairie? Right? I think it would be a little bit itchy. I don't really like the feeling of grass too much. It makes my skin itch a little bit, but it would tickle a little bit as it runs through your fingers, right? And then this stanza is talking about the cumulus cotton. Is there really cotton in the sky? No. He's just comparing cotton to the white puffy clouds. So he's laying there enjoying the bright sun, the beautiful weather. But then, all of a sudden, the weather can change, and those nimbus clouds can roll in, and it can start raining. So it can make him probably feel sad, make him or she feel really sad. All right, guys? So we are going to go forward to this page right here. So just one page, to page 89. And we're going to talk about the main theme, and then 3 details that support the main theme. Okay, guys, so what is the most important thing about this poem? What is the main thing that it's talking about? Okay, good. Talking about clouds, talking about weather, right? A day going from sunny to rainy, which could be from happy to sad. Okay, so the main theme of this whole poem is going to be this, okay? Weather can change. Enjoy the good weather while it lasts. So it's important to really be grateful and show gratitude when things are going really well in your life, because you never know when things can change. 1 second it could be really happy and sunny, and then the next second can be rainy, and we just never know when those changes are going to happen. So it's important to enjoy those things while they last. And weather, more than anything, changes all the time. All right, guys, and now we're going to go down to our details. Okay, for this part, guys, I want you guys to flip back to our amplified text. So I'm going to flip back really fast and show you guys. I want you guys to take a look at this, right? So the main idea is talking about how weather can change, go from sunny to rainy, which could also change our feelings from happy to sad. I want you to think about the first detail that shows that this person is enjoying the weather and they are loving it. What is one of the first details to show that they are loving the sweater? Okay, so go ahead and take a minute to think about it, and then we're going to write it into our detail. Okay, look at that second picture. What do you guys see in that second picture? Right, the little boy is tilting his head back. So I tilt my head back into the waves of the prairie. Okay, that's that first detail. All right, and then go ahead and pause the video and go back to your reading to find the second detail. Okay, what is the next detail, right? He's looking up the sky, and what does he notice about the sky? Right, the sky is blue and the sun is shining, right? And he's feeling so happy that the sky is blue and the sun is shining. All right, guys, go ahead and pause the video, write down your sentence, and flip back to find that last detail. Remember, from sunny to rainy. So what is the last detail to support this main theme? Okay, my friends, what is that last detail, right? What is the last cloud showing us? When the clouds turn nimbus, the rain will come. All right, so you can be enjoying your beautiful sunny blue day, and then all of a sudden it can change into a rainy day. And I mean, some people find joy in rain. I like rain sometimes. Um, but for a lot of people, it causes them to be sad and to want to be inside and not go outside and get all wet. So it's really important, boys and girls, to make sure you're enjoying the good things in your life while you have them, because at any moment it can change. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed learning about a poem this week, talking about clouds, Nimbus clouds, and Cumulus clouds. And you guys will go ahead and complete a comprehension check. And I just want you to know I can't wait to see your flip grid tomorrow. It's my favorite part of my week is watching your guys' flip grids. All right, I will see you guys next week. Bye.